everybody, welcome back. Hope you all subscribe our channel Jimmy's Creative English Vlog. If not, please do subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press bell icon and enable all. I also welcome your like and valuable comment.
The past tense is a grammatical tense. Well, the past is important. It's where we all from. The use of past tenses to discuss things that happened before right now. We need to use past tense to describe most of our personal experiences as well as things that have happened to other people. There are different past tenses. Understanding these tenses and uses can really help us with listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The past tense broken down into four different categories: past tense, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Even if we can speak and read some English, we may be interested to know more about what the past tense involves. We will go over each past tense and its uses. Let us get into simple past tense and its usages. Note 1. The simple past is used to express an action or situation that happened at a particular point in the past. For example, he helped me in my studies. We saw a film last night. He sent me a letter last week. Let us get into past continuous tense. Note 1. To talk about what was happening at a particular past moment, often we use simple past or continuous past. For example, I was writing a letter to my friend. When he came, I was writing a letter. My mother was cooking when the phone rang. Let us get into past perfect tense and its usages. Note 1. Past perfect tense is used to express long past situation. For example, we had gone to Delhi last year. The Prime Minister had visited this town 2 years ago. Not true. Sometimes past perfect is used to express that something had happened before another action took place. In such situation, the first action must be written had plus past participle V3 and second action with simple past V2. For example, the train had left when we reached the station. The thief had broken the door when we woke up. Let us get into past perfect continuous tense. Not 1. Past perfect continuous tense is used to talk about a situation or an activity that had been happening in the past before another past action took place. For example, she had been dancing when I met her, which denote I met her sometimes back, but before that she was going on dancing without any stop. Somebody had been shouting at him when I went there, which denote when I went there before that somebody was going shouting at him. We have learnt the four past tenses and their uses, namely simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Today's session we will wind up. We will be back with our next video, the uses of future tense. Please do subscribe our channel Jimmy's Creative English Vlog. Don't forget to press bell icon and enable all. I also welcome your like, share and valuable comments. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day ahead.